Guys, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you the only way to boost your TikTok followers in Ghana, and it's very simple. So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. I'm going to introduce you guys to this website called growbettergh.com. So all you need to do is to come to this platform, do exactly the same thing I'm going to be doing in this video, and you will be able to boost your TikTok followers. So first of all, let's create an account. But before we create an account, the link is in the description. All you need to do is to tap on the link and it will take you to the website. Right, so all you need to do is for you to come to this sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? Just tap on it, and once you tap on it here, it will bring you to this place. Create a username. While creating username, make sure you write it together, do not give space. Then come to this email, put your email, come to password, put your password, and then come to this confirm password and confirm your password. And this human right here, you can see the box beside it. Tap on the box and it's going to tick. And once the box tick, the next thing you need to do is for you to click on the sign up right here, and your account is going to be created. Easy peasy. So this is exactly how to create an account in this platform. But because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. So all I need to do is to log in and show you guys how you can actually boost your TikTok followers in 2026 in Ghana. So let's go. So right now I've logged into my account. As you can see right here, when you create your account and log in, is exactly how it's going to be looking like. So first you need to do is for you to come to this category right here. Can you see this category? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you see different services right here, as you can see on the screen, which is Instagram followers and everything, every other thing right here. So what you're going to do is for you to actually look for TikTok followers, and right here you can see several TikTok followers here, and I'm going to be using this particular one, which is TikTok followers 10% drop fast delivery new. Why I'm going to be using this one is because it's the fastest service right here, and I want to use it so that I want you guys to actually see these followers coming in this video before the end of this video. So let's go. Well, I'm going to select it, and the next thing is to come to the service, and you can see the service right here. Tap on it and select the preferable one. I like using the first one, so I select the first one and read the description. The description is actually what describes what you are about to purchase, and right here they say the quality is worldwide profile, and the start time is instant, and they say the speed is 20k per a day, which means that you can actually get 20,000 followers in a day. And right here they say refill 10 days, and they say important note, when the service is busy, the starting speed of the process may vary. They say do not place second order on the same link before your current order is completed in the system. So what I mean right here is that when you place an order, a size patient, your order is going to deliver. Do not place another order on that same link so that you won't contradict both of them. And right here, the root link is where you put your profile link. In case if you don't know how to copy your profile link, let's go to TikTok. So once you come to TikTok right here, this is exactly the TikTok I want to boost. And you can see currently the TikTok has 3,707 followers. I want you to mark this because these followers are going to increase in this video. And if you want to copy your link, come to this arrow up here. Can you see this arrow up here? Tap on it, and you can see this copy link right here. Can you see this copy link right here? Tap on it, and your link is copied. Then come back to Grow Better GH and paste your link, and come to this quantity where you can see right here. Quantity is actually the amount of followers you want. So in this video I want only 100 followers, so I just enter 100, and the next thing I need to do is for me to click on this submit right here. Can you see the submit? Just tap on the submit, right, and you can see right here your order has been received. Easy peasy. So all you need to do from here is for you to exercise patience, and these followers will start coming in immediately. But firstly, I want you guys to understand that whatever we're doing right here is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. And how do you fund your account in this platform is very simple. All you need to do is to come to this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? Tap on it. By your left hand side, you can see this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you will see the payment option right here is only manual, and manual stated kindly make payment to the account number below. You can see the account number, you can see Momo, and it's MTN, and you can see the name on it is Mustafa. And all you need to do is to make payment and send proof of payment right to the WhatsApp number on this website. They say payment should be from 20 cedis up, do not send below, and they say provide proof of payment screenshot with your username so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. Click on this link to get directed to our admin. Contact us. Is either you click on this contact us, or you click on this WhatsApp icon right here. Once it take you to your WhatsApp, send your proof of payment and also your Grow Better GH username. They are going to confirm your payment. Easy peasy. So guys, this is exactly how to fund your account in this platform, right? So all we need to do right now is for us to go back to TikTok to actually confirm if these followers that we purchased is already counting. So let's go. So you remember before we placed an order in this platform, we had 3,707 followers, and as you can see right here, we still have 3,707 followers. So all we need to do right now is for us to actually refresh to know if these followers have already counted. So we just need to draw this thing down right here, and boom, you can see we have 3,833 followers, which means that the followers we boosted have already counted. And if you look down in this e-box right here, you can see 99 plus notification. You just need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see this new followers right here. You have 99 plus new followers, and we look at it right now. You can see these followers just entered now. They just entered now. And if you look, most of all these ones is 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago. Right? You can see easy peasy. So this is exactly how you can actually boost your followers fast in Ghana. Easy peasy. All you need to do is to come to this platform, create an account, and do exactly the same thing I just did in this video, and you'll be able to get these followers. Right? So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.